Don't drill these holes down underneath. It is killer trying to lay down and push up. Killer on the shoulders primarily, or mine anyways. What I'm using is a floor jack, and I've got the drill, the bit into a hole in a template where I need to drill in through the body and the other end and the end of the floor jack. So then what I'm going to do is I have it jacked up so there's some pressure on it, and I'm going to turn on the drill. And add a little bit of pressure on the floor jack, just slowly jacking that up. There we go. So much easier than trying to push up in that. So drilling holes underneath the vehicle is always a challenge. So I learned taking a floor jack, putting the drill on top, jacking that up, going up the drill bit to the hole, turn on the drill, and then slowly push down, and it's adding pressure. I don't even need the pipe on here, I can just do it by hand. I'll lower the jack, take the drill out, and remember to tighten that back up. Oh, it's so much easier. It's just killer on the shoulders to lay underneath there and trying to push that drill up. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.